Hi, good afternoon. This is Arnold from Snowfoot Runner Events. So today we are on our way to Bisan Pass Heritage Park. So nanggaling kami ng Bugyas and then down to Cervantes and then papunta dun sa may landmark kung saan nag-surrender si General Yamashita. So we will have picture on that side kung saan naganap yung kanyang battle, last battle, and then it will also be, or rather kung saan siya nag-surrender, it will be the finish line of our event on May 1 to 2, so yung Ilocos Sur 50K Ultramarathon, so May 1 and May 2. We're hoping, so help us pray as well, that kung nagaganap dito sa ating paligid about the end of COVID-19 will pass and the economy will regain its strength, and so as the small businesses, including na rin yung mga running events. So we are greatly affected by this and we're looking forward. In a month's time, everything will be alright. All running events will resume, so including ours. So just to point out, our Baguio to Tinap 100K Ultramarathon is good to go. So we just spoke with the local municipalities and they agreed that we proceed with the event provided that we abide by some policies. So I'll just cite these things dun sa event page so that lahat po kayo ay magkakaroon ng information about this. So we are almost siguro mga 1 kilometer to go. So we'll just keep the video playing until we reach the landmark. So makikita nyo, we are passing through this beautiful road. So, napakatahimik, fresh air. And ano pa ba? Very with the cool breeze. Ganda. It's a perfect venue for running. Totoo lang. So it takes a lot of time and effort to come here. It's worth the trip. Sulit. Okay, I'll post another video. Parang medyo malayo pa yung curve. I'll just pause. Okay, to continue. So we are now approaching yung site kung saan nag-surrender si General Yamashita. So at the end of the road, makikita niyo it narrows down. Diyan yung exact site niya. So dito siya nag-surrender. Kaya ito yung vantage point niya, yung last stand niya. Dahil from this point, even looking at the side ng Cervantes kung saan tayo galing, nag-view yung approach ng American and Filipino soldiers. So doon sila, maraming namatay during that time, most especially on this side, kasi maraming gustong umakyat dito to conquer and to capture General Yamashita. So nakikita yung road and hindi nila maakyat-akyat ito. So kumbaga last man standing ang nangyari. Okay, so we are going to stop here and then take some photographs and speak with the office. So ito kasi magiging finish line natin. Alright, this is Arnold. Paalam muna ako. Bye-bye.